In primetime news this evening, more names, more questions.
Is Devon McQueen hired by the CMU to supply meals for the CAPS program?
PAAC probes deeper into CMU and Ruel Reid controversy. Let the SOEs continue. A warning from the security chiefs against prematurely ending states of emergency. And tragedy in Olympic Gardens.
Look upon my baby there. Right there's my baby there. The baby have like a kid. The star gonna let me. The star that, you know.
As baby dies in house fire. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Milton Walker has our preview. Milton?
Yes, Janella, gas prices are to rise for the third straight week. We'll tell you the prices in the business day. Okay, thanks, Milton. From Milton, we go to Jermaine with sports. Jermaine?
Thank you, Herman. I'll tell you what's rising. The Reggae Girls ambassadors, the Della Marley, well, a looming battle seems to be on the horizon with the JFF, as they have money for the Reggae Girls ahead of the Pan Am Games, but they say they'll not be giving it to the JFF. The details when you come back.
Thanks, Jermaine. Well, there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening, are you satisfied with how the CMU matter is being handled by the authorities?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. The Primetime News Package returns after this break.